Afsana Awal. Today I will take your English class students. Our today's topic is identifying picture and matching. That means there are some pictures we have to identify the picture and we have to write their names. And also another topic is matching. That means today we will learn two topics. So let's start our class. At first, just look here. This is identify and write the name under the picture. So these two pages. Just look. There are some pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 pictures, and we have to write the names under each picture. At first, what is this? Just look here. This is the picture of a rabbit. So we have to write here rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. And this is flower vase. Okay, so we have to write a vase. V-A-S-E, vase. V-A-S-E, vase. V-A-S-E, vase. V-A-S-E, vase. Now the next one is, what is this? This is the picture of a watch. W-A-T-C-H, watch. W-A-T-C-H, watch. The next picture is well. W-H-A-L-E, well. W-H-A-L-E, well. W-H-A-L-E, well. W-H-A-L-E, well. Now the next picture, what is this? This is the picture of top. T-O-P, top. T-O-P, top. The next picture is ring. R-I-N-G, ring. That we wear in our fingers. This is ring, R-I-N-G, ring. The next picture is the picture of a cup. C-U-P, cup. C-U-P, cup. The next picture is duck. D-U-C-K, duck. D-U-C-K, duck. The next one is, this is the picture of a jug. J-U-G, jug. J-U-G, jug. J-U-G, jug. And this is the picture of kite. K-I-T-E, kite. This is the picture of a kite. So students, what we have learned here, this is the picture of a rabbit. This is the picture of a vase. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. V-A-S-E, vase. V-A-S-E, vase. V-A-S-E, vase. This is the picture of watch. W-A-T-C-H, watch. W-A-T-C-H, watch. W-A-T-C-H, watch. This is well. W-H-A-L-A, well. This is the picture of a top. T-O-P, top. T-O-P, top. T-O-P, top. This is the picture of ring. R-I-N-G, ring. R-I-N-G, ring. This is the picture of a cup. C-U-P, cup. C-U-P, cup. This is the picture of duck. D-U-C-K, duck. D-U-C-K, duck. This is the picture of a jug. J-U-G, jug. This is the picture of kite. K-I-T-E, kite. Now we have another topic, and this is matching. Match the pictures with the suitable words. Just look, there are some pictures and there are some words here, and to match the pictures with the correct word. And what are the pictures? Apple, hen, bee, top, sun, umbrella and leaf. And their names are also mentioned here, and we have to match the pictures with the suitable words or the correct words. So at first, this is the picture of apple. So where it is written, this is apple, A-P-P-L-E, apple. So this is the picture of apple and this is the word, A-P-P-L-E. So we have to match the picture with the word. Yes, this is apple. Now the next one is hen. Here is hen, H-E-N, hen, H-E-N, hen, H-E-N, hen. So we have to match the picture of hen with the word. Now this is the picture of a bee, B-E-E, bee. So where it is? It is here. So we have to match the picture with the word. Now this is top, T-O-P, top. This is top, T-O-P, top. So here we also have to match the picture with the word top. Now this is sun, S-U-N, sun. Where is sun? It is here. So we have to also match the picture of sun with the word sun. This is umbrella. This is the picture of umbrella. B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. Where is it? This is here. So we have to match the picture of umbrella with the word. Now the last one, this is leaf, L-E-A-F, leaf. Where it is? It is here. So we have to match the picture of leaf with the word leaf. So this is apple, apple, hen, bee, top, sun, umbrella and leaf. And students, now it's time for your HW. And here your HW topic names of the identifying picture. Names of the identifying pictures. Students, just you have to write the names only, like the rabbit, vase. You can also give number 1, 2, 3, 4. Like rabbit number 1, this is rabbit, number 2 vase, 3 watch, 4 well, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have to write only the names, that means rabbit, vase, watch, well. Okay, you have to write only the name, just serially 1, 2, 3, 4 you have to give, and then you have to write. So your HW topic is names of the identifying pictures, only these names. Okay. Students, that's all for today. See you in the next class, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.